Alright, we're going to the van. We're going to the taxi. Because I'm asking. This is the car of. So, yeah. Alright, finally. Sorry, nahirapan ako. Had a hard time. So we decided to take taxi to the anime store because it's raining. Okay. Let's see.
You remember we walked there going to the train station down there?
I. Sitekot Shumt.
There.
Yeah,
Then
yeah,
we
yeah.
went down there, then we turned left under the bridge.
Hi. Shoot. Or true. Yeah. Kobansha ing so true. Sorry, hindi ko maintindihan ang Japanese here. Yeah.
And then when we went home in the evening, I think that street, we used that street.
Yeah, the exit there.
Going back to the hotel.
Yeah. I don't wanna think of going home to Manila. No, let's enjoy the weather here. I'll not stop the video until later.
Ito na lang kami pinumungkang kasi mas maano to. Mas
Yeah.
bago. Tsaka hindi ka mahirapan.
The Hitachi Tower is there, I think. We're in the Shinsekai area. So, a few days left na lang before we head home to Manila. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. We're now here. The umbrella, the payong.
Hold on. One, two.
Yes, you guys.
3, 4. Let's go, David, this side.
Okay, you hold the umbrella na lang po. Wait. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.
Close the door.
Take care. Take care, buddy. So we're a bit far.
Doble sa
May meter ginamit nila eh. Hindi. Naka-meter siya. Ibig sabihin siguro, may charge yung app na yon. Kumbaga, parang
This was
nakano
last
tayo,
July.
500 ba taxi? Pesos? Hindi naman. Mga ganun. Mga 500 pesos. Mayong na?
pagtawid lang, kapayo.
Ayun na yung phone.
Hindi, ito lang yung street. Ayun yung maze cafe eh.
Hindi naman masyadong malakas mag-boost na lang.
Wait.
Kasi yung marami na yun.
Let's go first with anime store. I think there, that's the anime store. Anime street. Ako, since my Matthew is fan of anime. Hero Academia. No.
Yeah, good that you wear your...
We are here in the anime street. Time zone. So
Dita?
wow, I think these are my characters. So
Trong như đây là 50 350 cái này tôi rồi.
오자.
그래서 엄마가 애들하고 많이 싸웠어.
So, ba't ibang ano?
Adult toys.
I think there's our restaurants. Amiya. Man. It's Tamiya, bro. It's Japan's largest specialized store of skill in character model. Oh my gosh. So we're going here.
Dadalhin. Pero may plastic. Basta yung payong nyo, paplastikin nyo. Kung basta, sila yung
The Kenneth Time Train. Oh my God, Adele, my friend.
Uy, si Mati! Sakura!
Sakura, oh my gosh. So, ayun yung kinuha. Pokemon.
There's Nami's one.
There's Namis one, I think.
Who's that? That's Momo.
It's the big one. So guys, this one. Mono, Luffy, Lucho.
Mati, I haven't seen One Punch Man yet. I think this is me. The beautiful.
Yeah,
I'm the beautiful one.
there are some beautiful animes here.
Ang cute naman ni Luffy dito.
Lucho the third.
Ito, sino to? Ichigo.
Oh my God. Daddy, look at the golden kid one. Daddy, there's 3 different golden kids.
Golden Killua?
Oh, Daddy, it's the when Goku and Akaza fight.
Ito, Golden Killua.
Uy, My Hero Academia pala yun eh.
Yeah, what do you feel, My Hero
Golden Killua yung
Academia?
binili niya.
Oh, it's Chainsaw Man at the back.
Hey!
Are you okay? Let's be happy that there's anime.
Dragon Ball.
Is it aircon here or?
Hindi mo sa other packet. Ay,
Nezuko and Rengoku.
ay, hindi nakatali yung ano mo.
Oh, Teacher Zico, look. Anime relates to music. To music. Talaga, it relates to an art. So, tagging Sir Zeke for that. CCP Japan Best Model Collection. Grabe. That's what I love. Anime. Mga dati kong classmates.
That's not the Bardo. I think the one at the back is the Bardo boy that
You have. Same lang yan.
I think I'm gonna take a picture cosplay as that. Kuya Dre loves that.
si Godzilla. Look.
Ayun na.
Why is the green thing?
Cool. Mati, you can change this as profile pic. Haha. You can profile pic that on Facebook. Haha.
Here's the after. What's the big
Yan. So, it's a bit hot. Look.
Dati naman, namamahay mo ng ano.
Look, Mama, I think these are my classmates. Joke.
Mariko,
I will tag my class, so I'm gonna tag my classmates from Jasabs who loves anime. Okay. So I think I have to turn off the video kasi prohibited. See you guys in the next episode.